Hey, this is Ray Dombrowski. Today I'd like to show you a brand new template I have called Bad Photocopy Texture Template. And this is a Photoshop document with multiple layers, and it allows you to take your designs, paste them in, and automatically have photocopy distress textures applied to your design. So when you open up this Photoshop document, you'll notice the top layer says double click to add your art. So I'll just double click on that. And what that does is it will open up a smart object, and all you need to do here is hide the existing layer and then go to either a Photoshop document or an Illustrator document with your graphic in it. And ideally you want a black compound shape or a black shape with a transparent background. So this is just my logo with the background knocked out. So there's actually no white in it. It's just all black. So I'll hit Command C, and then I go back to Photoshop in that smart object, hit Command V, and I can paste this in as a vector smart object or as pixels. It doesn't matter. I'll just hit OK here and scale this down and position it. Hit Return to apply that, and what I need to do here is just hit Save, and then I go back to my Bad Photocopy template, and you'll notice that my art is now updated and the photocopy texture is applied to it. The only other thing you're going to need to do is, if you want to change the texture applied to the graphic, is go into this layer group called Choose an Image Texture. And you'll see a bunch of different options. And these are all actually made from broken photocopiers. So whenever I use a photocopy machine and it's broken, I just run a ton of sheets through it, try to get some really unique textures. And there are, I think, about 20 textures to distress your graphics in here. And there's 18 different background textures also. So I'll just choose this one, and I can collapse that layer group. And the only other thing that I want to do here is choose a background texture. Let me expand that bottom layer group. And there's all sorts of different background textures in here. Some are horizontal, some are vertical streaks, some are light, some are medium, some are dark. I kind of like these horizontal ones. So that's about it for the basics. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the links below the video to find out more about Bad Photocopy Texture Template.